your tail.
What it was.
No, you're supposed to go like this so you can have the annotation.
I don't want annotation.
And then you can just push.
No. It's freezing. You can have this one right where I want. Or after hers. Where the hell are we going? Oh, yeah, my house.
Yeah, so you can get your stuff.
I'm really cool.
I have 2 different accounts. I have Roxy Baby XO and Glamicious Girl. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know how to spell it.
G-L-A-M-O.
No, the wrong one.
High School Glamour. It's a glamorous letter. No. No, it's falling. World, so it's falling. I don't know the word.
Do a dance. In the middle of the road, do a dance. Like I Justine. Do a dance like I Justine. Have you ever seen her? YouTuber.
Green boxes, my thing. That's where to go. Man. That's pretty warm out, but my bum's cold. I can't believe I got that on video. It's the whole thing.
Oh, it's Justin.
What?
That's Justin Hart.
Let's go. Hi, Justin. Hi. Oh, nothing. I just saw him throw. No, I literally fell backwards. That's the funniest story ever. I had it all on camera.
You?
By accident, yeah.
Stop.
And it's probably still going.
It is. I don't know how to work it.
Why you gotta get me in the fucking camera, man?
What's the language? I'll delete it.
Where you going? Home?
I don't know. We're going to Winners.
Oh, you guys look like you were separated. Like,
No, we're not. Oh.
like girls.
Oh, my hand's so cold. Well, I've been doing this 24 minutes.
Good.
I see you walking your dog all the time.
I see you guys all the time. Oh,
Yours?
Yeah.
it's so pretty.